When most people picture negotiating on a home, they picture one number, the list price. But that's only a fraction of the negotiation. In this video, I'll walk you through everything that's actually on the table when you buy a home. First, understand what sellers really want. It's not only the highest price, it's certainty the deal will close and timing that works for them. That's why a clean, well-structured offer can beat a higher one. Knowing that changes how you negotiate. Before we get into each lever, I want to make sure you know where to find me. I'm Susan Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County. If this is already shifting how you're thinking about offers, do me a favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps more buyers find this before they make a move they can't undo. Drop a question or a comment below. I read every one. And subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Now let's get into the levers, because there are more of them than most buyers realize. Lever 1 is the money beyond the price. A seller credit puts cash towards your closing costs, lowering what you bring on closing day. There are also ways to put a seller's contribution towards lowering your financing costs. Worth asking your lender and agent about. Lever 2 is the inspection. Almost every inspection finds something, and that's a second negotiation. Repairs from the seller or a credit so you can handle it yourself. Focus on what matters: health, safety, and the big systems, and treat the report as a planning tool, not just a bargaining chip. Lever 3 is terms and timing. Flexibility on the closing or possession date can make your offer the one the seller picks, even over a higher bid. Lever 4 is what comes with the house: appliances, window treatments, sometimes even furniture. A lot of it is negotiable. Just get it in writing. The big takeaway: treat your offer as a package. Price, terms, timing, and what stays, not a single number. The buyers who come out ahead aren't the most aggressive. They're the ones who understand the whole menu and lead with what the seller values most. We broke all of this down in detail in our latest blog post. Check it out using the link, and you'll know exactly what to ask for. And if you'd like to talk it through for your own situation, reach out anytime. No pressure, just a clear picture before you make a move.
For all of your Susquehanna Valley real estate needs, contact Susan and Kurt Johnston at Iron Valley Real Estate of York County.